Hello, I'm Margie. I'm with the Teams team at Microsoft, here to share the ins and outs of file sharing, from customizing where your files open to finding files you've shared. Let's explore sharing files in Teams. First, to customize your file sharing settings, click the ellipses next to your profile image and select Settings. Select the Files tab, then choose where you want files shared in Teams to open, in Teams, in the desktop app, or in your browser. Select the X to close your settings, and your file opening preferences are saved. Next, to test it out, or just open a document that's been shared, go to a chat or channel. Click the file to open it. If you want to open it in another way, click on the three dots on the file, hover over Open, and select one of the options. From the same file menu, you can also choose to download the file to your computer, or get a link to share the file again with others. When you want to share a file on Teams, there are a few ways you can do it. From an open Microsoft 365 document, click Share and copy link. Copy link and paste it into a chat or channel in Teams. You can also drag and drop a file by clicking and holding on the file, then pulling it over into Teams. Or you can also click the paperclip icon below the message compose box and then choose a file from your computer. Once uploaded, it's ready to send. A quick note, when sharing files and channels, you can follow the same steps like you would in chat or by using the Files tab. Drag and drop your document into the folder or add by clicking Upload and find the document you'd like to share. Last but not least, to locate all the files you have shared, click on the Files tab on the left pane of Teams or within a specific chat or channel. These are just a few ways to customize your team sharing experience. Follow to learn more and keep up to date on all things Teams.